Hello, stars, and welcome to Fun-Filled Figures. Today, you are embarking on a very special mission, a Roman conquest of numbers. Your prize, should you choose to accept this challenge, is the secret knowledge to read a mysterious ancient code. So, have you ever been looking at a big fancy clock, or maybe flipping through a book, and seen numbers written with letters like these? I, V, X. They kind of look like a secret message, don't they? Well, guess what? Your mission today is to crack that code. So what's our goal for this explainer? It's simple, but it's super exciting. We are going to learn how to read and write using Roman numerals. By the end of this, you'll understand this ancient system like you're a true Roman scholar. So, are you ready for this? Let's go! All right, first things first. To crack any code, you need the keys, right? Well, to unlock the magic of Roman numerals, we need to learn the 7 secret keys. These are the basic symbols that will unlock everything for us. So what are these things anyway? Well, picture this. A long time ago, the ancient Romans needed a way to write down numbers, for trading things, building their amazing empire. But here's the thing. They didn't have numbers like our 1, 2, and 3. So they did something really clever. They just used letters from their own alphabet to stand for numbers. It's a whole different way of thinking about counting. Okay, here they are. These are the 7 secret keys, the most important symbols you need to know. Let's go through them. I stands for 1, V is for 5, X is 10, then we jump to L for 50, C for 100, D for 500, and the big one, M, is 1000. If you can remember these 7, you are already halfway there. Okay, so now we know the letters, but how do they actually build numbers? Knowing the symbols is the first step for sure, but the real magic is in how we put them together. So welcome to the rules of Rome. The first and most important rule is what I call the addition rule. And it's actually pretty simple. If you see a symbol with a smaller value placed after a bigger one, you just add them up. That's it. For example, V is 5 and I is 1. When you see them together as VI, you just go 5 plus 1, which is 6. Let's look at a few more so you can see what I mean. CX, XI, that's 10 plus 1 plus another 1, which makes 12. What about XV? Well, that's 10 plus 5, giving us 15. And if you see 3 in a row, like XXX, that's just 10 plus 10 plus 10, which equals 30. See? You're already reading Roman numerals. Now here comes the one slightly tricky part, but don't you worry, it makes total sense once you see it. We just learned that if the bigger value comes first, we add. But what if the smaller value comes first? Well, that's our secret signal to subtract. Just look at the screen. VI is 5 plus 1, so it's 6. But IV, where the smaller one is first, means 5 minus 1, which is 4. Here are the most common subtraction examples you're going to see. IV is 4 because it's 1 before 5. IX is 9 because it's 1 before 10. And XL is 40 because it's 10 before 50. The key is just to look for a smaller value right before a bigger one. That's always your cue to subtract. Okay, you've learned the keys and you've learned the rules. Now it's time to put your new skills to the test. Let's do some practice together and turn you into a Roman numeral pro. Let's solve this one together, step by step. We see the number XVII, so we start with the biggest value we see, which is X. We know that X is 10. Then we see an I, that's 1, and another I, which is 1 more. Since they come after the big one, we just add them up. 10 plus 1 plus 1. So what does that equal? It's 12. That's exactly right. X plus I is 12. Fantastic work. You're getting this. All right. You ready for a little challenge? It's a calm one, no pressure. Take a look at the screen. What number is XL? I'm going to give you 10 seconds to think about it. Starting now. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up. The answer is 40. Did you get it? Remember our subtraction rule? The X, which is 10, comes before the L, which is 50. So we have to subtract. 50 minus 10 equals 40. Great job tackling that tricky one. Okay, let's try something even bigger. How would we write the year 2025 in Roman numerals? Here's a hint. Think about it in pieces. First 2000, then 20, then 5. You've got this. You have 10 seconds. Let's go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And the answer is mmxxv. Wow, let's break that down. For 2,000, we need two m's, right? M is 1,000. For 20, we need two x's. And for 5, we just need a v. You put it all together, and you get mmxxv. You just wrote a huge number. That is incredible work. You have done so well. Before we wrap this up, let's do a super quick final check, a little lightning round, just to make sure these ideas are totally locked in. Okay, ready? First question, what is v? That's right, it's 5. Perfect. Next one, how do you write the number 10? With an x? Awesome. Third, what number is ix? Remember that subtraction rule. It's 9. You got it. And last one, what is c? It's 100. You are doing great. I mean it, you did a wonderful job today. And always remember, it is absolutely okay to make mistakes. That's actually how we learn. Every time we try, we get a little bit better. And with that, mission accomplished. Today you learned the 7 secret keys. You mastered the rule of addition and the rule of subtraction. You officially know how to read and write the ancient code of Roman numerals. Now your next mission is to look for them out there in the real world, on clocks, in the chapter numbers of books, or even on old buildings. You were all amazing today. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you next time on Fun-Filled Figures.